it's Andrea Allure, and today I am coming with a video for how you can barrel twist your locks. I was asked by, I'm not sure if she's a subscriber. I hope she's a subscriber, but I was asked to show you guys from my previous video how to do the barrel twist. I think they're called barrel twists, I believe they're called barrel twists, but if they're not, please correct me below. But how to do barrel twist with locks from my last lock style video that I did. So this will be that. So, disclaimer, I technically am a professional, but like locks are not my specialty by any means. So if I'm doing this wrong, I'm not a professional when it comes to locks. So don't be like, oh, that's not even how you do it. This is just how I found out how to do it, and that's just from watching videos on YouTube and Instagram. So this may not actually be the technical correct way, but it will get the same effect if it's not. So anywho, I have my hair parted in the middle. And oh, before I even continue, disclaimer number 2. If you see this face in like another video and this fit in another video, it's because I did record this look. If I put this twist video out before the makeup video, I'm not gonna link the makeup below, but if I put the makeup video up first, then I will link this look below in this video, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, so just a heads up. Anywho, back to the actual video. So how I do my barrel twist, and if it's not called technically barrel twist, please leave it below, because that's what I was searching and this is what was popping up, so I think this is the correct name. But anyway, how I do my barrel twist is, so I take 2 rows of locks wherever I want the twist to be. Those are the rows that I am going to be utilizing. So I have these 2 rows right here. It's just 2 rows and 4 locks back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on both sides. And how I do it is I take the lock that is closest to the front of my head, which is technically this one. Even though these are right next to each other, this lock is just a smidget further down. So I take the closest lock in the front, leave that bad boy right there. Then I take that bad boy and I bust it down the middle, just like that. So I take that first lock, leave it straight back like that. I take the next closest lock or the one next to it, whatever, and I take it and I twist it up. Well, not, yeah, up and under that first lock. And then I pull that sucker back. So now it's technically like a twist in the front, all together going back in the back. Next, I am going to take a lock from the alternate side, which would be right here. I take that lock, the next one in line, and this one I am going to twist it over, under, and over again. Now, I don't know if this is how like you're supposed to do it every time, but I'm doing this only because I have a lot of new growth and you can't really see my parts. So I'm doing the, I guess, extra twist just to really make that barrel pop, if that makes sense. So I did a second twist, over, under, and then I'm just all combining them in the back, going towards the back. Same thing on this side. Just take it over, under, over, under, and you pull it back. You don't go under and over again. It's just 2 over unders. Okay? That's that. Now over to this side. I'm going to take this lock on the alternate side, over everything, under everything, over everything again, and pull it to the back with the rest of its siblings. Now you see how it's getting like that barrel effect. And I know in my last video, back to the alternate side, that's the key. You got to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, crisscross. Now I know in my last lock style video, over, under, over, pull it back. In my last video, I did this, but it was like sped up. So I'm sorry about that, y'all. But hopefully this video is helping with how you actually do it. I'm not like the greatest explainer in the world. Me, as a stylist, I'm like, you can tell me this, that, and the third, but I need to watch you do it for me to truly understand. So hopefully this is a good enough demo. And this is going to be my last lock. This is the 4th lock. Over, under, over, under, back. Under and back is like one motion. So all you need is a rubber band to hold it off. You really don't need actually a rubber band, but I like to use a rubber band because I feel like it really holds it together more and it's not as like flimsy at the end. So all you do is just rubber band it down. And that's, my sweet babies, is how you do a barrel twist. Super, super duper easy. It may sound complicated, but so is algebra. And I know that don't got nothing to do with this video, but what I'm saying is if you practice, you'll get better and better at it. But that's up to y'all. That's all I gotta say. But anyway, that is all for this video, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you out. If it didn't, I can't do anything else for you. But there are a lot of other videos on YouTube for you to check out. So with that being said, if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe. You know you want to. I know you're gonna click on my name, then you're gonna look at all my other videos and you're gonna be like, just do it. But yes, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any concerns, any more questions or anything like that, leave them below. Or if you want to tell me something that I did wrong, leave it below. I'm all for constructive criticism. Anyway, that's it, y'all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.